Okay, so these apartments are not finished yet, but I have the inside scoop, so I wanted to give you a first look. These are in Berwick, Maine. We have 3 buildings here. Each building has 6 units in it, and I believe they're going to be available starting May 1st. It's either May 1st, May 15th, right around there, at least the first building. So I'm going to show you. Each one is oh geez Louise, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So, entry door. These all have a visual intercom system. So the downstairs, so I'm on the 3rd floor here. The downstairs is a locked entry, and then somebody can buzz up and you can actually see who it is and buzz them in. So I think that's really cool. This was built to super high efficiency. So the, insulation and all the materials used are super high efficient, and it really should be very, very economical to live here in these units, utility wise. So when you enter, you've got a little area where you can put a table and chairs, 3 really nice big windows looking out. And then you've got a deck. And again, these are not finished yet. So the railing is actually going up on this one today. So everybody's got a deck. This complex also comes with 19 acres of open space. It's eventually going to be made into trails for the residents here. And there are some trails cut into it, but they're just not officially in there yet. But this is going to be a dog friendly, I don't know about cats. I do know for sure dog friendly apartment complex. And then you will have access to all of that land, which is so nice. So you've got French door, fridge, lots of counter space, quartz countertops, lots of cabinet space, honestly. You've got room for a couple of chairs at the island. This is your living room area. Mini splits for air conditioning and heat. And like I said earlier, really energy efficient here. LVP floor, which is easy to clean and indestructible. Your bathroom. So nice finishes here. You've got the double sinks. Big bathroom. This is your laundry room. Washer and dryer hookups in each unit. You do have to bring your own machines. And then this is utility or storage. These, if you're an internet geek, these have, obviously you can hook Wi-Fi up, but they've all been hardwired for Cat 6. So people that work from home or really need a solid internet connection are covered. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is the smaller bedroom. Okay, so there are 3 mini splits in this unit. There's one in each bedroom and then one for the main living space. This one would be considered the primary. And then you've got a walk-in closet and motion sensor lights in here. So again, super high efficiency. These are going to be brand new, available, I believe, mid-May or the beginning of June. About 19 acres of open space for the residents to use, dog friendly. Every unit has its own deck or patio, depending on what level you're on. And you've got video intercom systems. I'm sure there's something I'm forgetting and I will update. But for now, I'm just going to take a few photos so that we can start taking applications.